Hello everyone. Uh, we will discuss today the ninth topic of this chapter, Harappan culture, the end of the civilization. Probably around 1800 BC, most of the mature Harappan sites uh, came to an end. Now the question is, what marked the changes from mature Harappa to late Harappa? If you see, after 1900 BC, there is a transformation in the material culture. It is marked by the disappearances of the distinct artifacts uh, like weight, seals, spatial beds, which was no more unique. Second, the writing has also declined, the long distance trade, the craft specialization also disappeared. Beside that, the house construction, which was the planned one based on grid pattern or chessboard pattern, it get deteriorated. The public structure was no longer uh, produced. Even it is further evident by disappearance of the seals, the distinctive beds and the potteries, the shift from standardized weight system to use of local weights. It means that these people, they abandoned the place, they moved to the nearby places just because of the decline. Now the question is, what were the probable causes for the decline of civilizations of Harappa? First one is the climatic one, second is the deforestation, third is the excessive floods, fourth, shifting or dying of the rivers, fifth, overuse of landscape, and most probably the last one is the plate tectonic movements. So maybe due to climatic change, people were not able to stay over there. Deforestation might be a cause. Excessive flood may force the people to abandon the place. Shifting of the rivers means drying of the region made the region more sterile. The overuse of the landscape further made it more sterile. Similarly, the frequent plate tectonic movements also may force the people to shift to the new areas. Now, the next topic. The next topic is why there was a discovering the Harappan civilization. Why the Cunningham was the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. Why he was confused about the Harappas? Actually, like the other people, even Cunningham believed that the history of India began around the 6th century BC in the Gangetic Valley, and his study is based upon the uh, information or accounts given by the Chinese Buddhist travelers or visitors who came to India, and that is why he wrote, translate, do the survey mainly around these 6th century BC onwards and around the Gangetic Valley. We know there were several artifacts who reached to the Cunningham, but he did not realize its importance because he know that the civilization in India began around 6th century BC. So that is why he missed the significance of Harappa. Now, a new old civilization. We know around in 1921, Dayaram Sane discovered Harappa, which was the first site. In 1922, Rakhaldas Banerjee discovered the Mohenjo-daro. In 1924, John Marshall, he became the uh, Director General of ASI, who declared that a new civilization, Indus Valley, to the world, which was the old one. And John Marshall was the man who brought major change in the Indian archaeology. He used his expertise which he had at Greece to the archaeology of India. But one thing he missed, that he uh, did study urgently, not not in a stratigraphic manner. This error was rectified by R.E.M. Wheeler, who was the man who did mechanically, who was an ex-brigadier, used military precision and used in a stratigraphic manner to discover the sites of India.